Hi, this is Mark, the builder from Trumark Homes. I'm going to do a quick little tour of the Marie 2 home. Here we're in the entry. We've got nice wood ceiling. We walk into the great room. This particular plan we saw a bunch of. It's got 2 bedrooms up, 2 in the basement. And here's our fireplace. We got beams all up in the ceiling. This is our kitchen. We've got a huge island. Glass cabinet doors. Something you usually will not see is a butler's pantry in a house that's under $400,000. Here's our butler's pantry. And this door goes out to the garage, and this is where you can hang your coats. But we come back through the kitchen, go to the dining room. This one's got a lot of wood trim, paneling, ceiling trim, goes out to the deck. This yard's got trees in it. Master bedroom's got a light tray ceiling. It has a barn door that goes into the bath. Here we got hers and his vanity. Got a linen cabinet. Got a Whirlpool shower, or Whirlpool tub. And we got a huge shower. This thing's got a nice door, double heads, all tile. Go into the master closet. This closet's unique. Again, I had to special build this to get these pull downs. See these chrome pull downs? You put your off-season clothes up there, then you just pull them down, put it right back up. Another thing that you usually don't see in a under 400 house, we have a pocket door, save some room there. That right out of the master closet takes you to the laundry room. So that's the first floor tour. If you'd like to see the basement, come on out, give us a call. Marie 2, thank you.